Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate anti-gravity with Claude code step by step. This setup helps Claude analyze incoming data and return structured responses automatically. It's useful for sales reports, workflow automation, support tickets, analytics, and many other tasks where you want faster AI-assisted decision-making. The good news is that the setup process is actually simple, and you don't need advanced technical skills to get started. So, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Claude chat interface. If you're not already signed in, log into your account first so your workspace and settings are available. Once you're inside Claude, make sure you start with a fresh conversation instead of using an old chat thread. This helps avoid unwanted context from previous conversations. Now, look at the left side of the screen and click the plus icon to create a new chat workspace. Using a separate workspace for your anti-gravity setup is important because it keeps your workflow organized and helps Claude respond more consistently. After opening the new chat, move to the message box. Now you need to give Claude a clear instruction prompt. For example, you can type something like, "You are my AI assistant. Analyze incoming sales data and suggest actionable next steps. Always respond using bullet points." This instruction tells Claude exactly what role it should follow and how responses should be formatted. You can also customize the prompt depending on your needs. Instead of sales data, you might use inventory reports, customer support tickets, project updates, or marketing analytics. The key is to keep the instruction clear and focused. Another useful tip is to define the response style you want. For example, you can ask for short summaries, recommendations, action plans, or prioritized tasks. This helps Claude produce cleaner and more useful outputs for automation workflows. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter or click Submit. Claude should now confirm the instruction and begin following that behavior for future messages inside the same thread. From this point forward, whenever you paste new data into the chat, Claude will automatically analyze it based on the instructions you provided. For example, if you submit a sales report, Claude can quickly summarize trends, highlight issues, and suggest next actions. This saves time and creates a much more organized workflow. If you ever notice Claude drifting away from your preferred format, simply resend the original instruction prompt in the same chat. This helps reset the behavior and keeps responses consistent. It's also a good idea to avoid mixing unrelated topics in the same conversation. Keeping one workflow per thread usually gives the best results. And that's basically all there is to it. As you can see, integrating anti-gravity with Claude code is mostly about creating a clean workspace and giving clear instructions from the beginning. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more AI tutorials, Claude code guides, and beginner-friendly automation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.